Imagine yourself in this Ram 2018 3500 Chassis Cab Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: tires LT235/80R17 EBSW all-season, STD, bright white clear coat, wheels, 17 inches x6 steel chrome clad, radio, Uconnect 3.0 included, rear view auto dim mirror with display integrated voice command with Bluetooth, black clear coat, electric shift on the fly transfer case, engine, 6.7L i6 Cummins turbo diesel included, 3.73 axle ratio Cummins turbo diesel badge current generation engine controller gross vehicle weight, 14,000 lbs smart diesel exhaust brake selective catalytic reduction, area, tow hooks Ram active air, diesel gray black HD vinyl 40/20/40 split bench seat and tow hooks. If you